here we are, the final test drive of Sean Bramhall's 1936 Chevrolet Fangio, ready for the Flying Scotsman. So I'll be heading up north later today with this vehicle, and on Friday morning we'll be starting the Flying Scotsman, which is something I wanted to do for years actually, although I did imagine I may be doing it as a driver, not as a co-driver, but there we go. Try anything once, they say. So yeah, this car came to us a couple of weeks ago, maybe more. No brakes, wouldn't run, rock shaft falling off, in a sad state really. But given that it was probably last used on Peking to Paris, I'm not really surprised it was in such a state. Anyway, we've done everything we can do to it. We've replaced what we've had to, we've repaired what we can, and I'm quite pleased with the results actually. For a 1930s car, we've got almost 200 horsepower. It goes well. Can't see out the left hand side of the windscreen, but I'm going to fix that. Maybe I won't want to see. But all in all, everything's working as it should, and I think we're going to have a lot of fun. And given this weather, I'm actually quite glad we're not in the vintage Bentley. But it's nice to be out in something different.